Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. On today's edition of What Are We Doing? We are making grilled cheese with ham on it. That is on our agenda today. Thought I'd do a little something different. I know that I have done this in the past, so this will be the second cooking video that I have done. Add 3 slices of cheese on this. 3 slices of ham, excuse me. I meant to say ham, but it came out cheese. Thought you all might enjoy a little bit something different. For a change. What I did with both of these pieces of bread is I put mayonnaise on that side and mayonnaise on that side, and the same with that other slice that's in there. Same with that other slice that's in there. I want to thank you all for watching, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next one, folks. Thank you for watching.